how to sell macrame wall hangings on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products to buy from. And also we have a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So as you can see, for example, let's check this product, which costs roughly $14,000, as you can see in here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page exactly like this one, how to set the price, set the description of the product, the material, and the options. I'm going to show you also how to set the item details of your product and how to give it the description and how to set the shipping and return policies as well. So let's just go back to the first page, then go up, go to your top right, click on the shop manager button, then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop exactly like the one that we saw before. So in order to set your Etsy shop, you will need to go through 6 steps. That starts with the shop preferences, then comes naming your shop, then you will stock your shop, you will choose how you'll get paid, set up your payment processors or your billing, then you will end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And it's where you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So for me, I'm just going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for the shop. So I'm going to choose my niche's name as the name of my shop. Then I'm going to remove the spaces and the special characters. Then make the name between 4 and 20 characters. And it appears that the name is already taken. So let's add a number. And as you can see, it's now unique. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop, adding some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before going to add the photos and details, first click on save and continue to see all of the required details to fill in this step. So as you can see here, we have 4 required fields to fill that start with photos. So here, please upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory, where you will have to give your product a price. Then we have the listing details, where we will have to fill all of these red fields. Then we have the shipping, where we will need also to fill all of these red fields. So let's start from the first one, which is photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they'll love it. So we start with the title. So here, make sure to give your product a good title. Then we answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, or another company or person. Let's go with I did. Then what is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently, and specifically between 2020 and 2023. Then we have the category. So you just type your product name and you'll have a lot of categories to choose from. So let's go with the first one, which is the wall hangings. And here we have some other details to fill, like the craft, which is optional. If it's 3D printing, beading, calligraphy, carving and whitening, ceramics and poetry, collage, coloring, crewel, cross stitch, or whatever. Then you have the primary color of the product. Then you choose the secondary color. Then you have the width, height, depth, and the sustainability as well. Then comes framing. So here, if it's framed or unframed, the style, and the occasion of that product. Then we have the holiday. So for example, let's choose Eid for the holiday. Then we have the room, if you want to choose. Then comes the renewal options. If you want to choose an automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents, or you want to go with the manual one, which is free. Then we have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then we have the description. So in order to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners, if you want to add any. Then comes the section, which is optional as well. Then you have the tags and materials. Then you set a price for your product. So for example, let's say $30. Then we have the shipping settings. So as I said in the beginning, make sure to fill all of these red fields. Then comes the returns and exchanges policy, if you want to choose the 30 days one or you want to choose another one. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.